Okay, so another family name order, only this is doubling down on the family name order. Sorry, garage doors going on next door. So we've got a family of 4, but we're also doing an individual one for their Italian Greyhound, Tuca. Let's do it. Ow!
Don't rustle my emotions. It's like I'm floating on the sea. And try not to cause a commotion. I'm the mellow me. The mellow me. Sit here on the sofa and contemplate the breeze. I don't want my cup of coffee